Okay, so hello, welcome back fellow coin collectors, and in today's video we're looking at the South African 2.5 shillings. So this is 2 shillings and sixpence. It was issued in 1953 and I have two, and these ones are both for sale. So the 2.5 shillings just had the coat of arms on the actual coin, and these ones are 50% silver because in 1951 South Africa actually reduced the silver content of their coins, and they didn't remove silver from circulation up until 1965. So that will give these a bullion value. If these are 14.14 grams of about $12 Australian, probably they'll make 120 rand, something like that. Exchange rate of 1 to 10. And the South African currency has actually dropped a lot more than the Australian one. Okay, so this is the one of the highest minted coins. Actually, it's probably just a normal mintage. The highest is 1954 with 4.2 million, but this one had a mintage of 2,514,000 and a little bit more. So it's not a hard coin to get in this condition. You're probably paying about $25. That's what I've seen on eBay. But if you shop around, you can probably get them for a little bit less. So on one side we have South Africa in English, and the other side we have South Africa in Afrikaans as the date. And this is the coat of arms. So this coat of arms is actually missing the two the supporters. Okay, so it's missing two deer on the side. So what we have is we have a figure of hope with an anchor, and that represents the Cape of Good Hope, obviously a coastal area. We have two wildebeests that represent Natal. We have wagons represent Transvaal, and here we have an orange tree representing Orange Free State. So orange tree, Orange Free State. So that makes sense. And the wagon representing Natal. And that's where the Zulus live. Anyway, so the coat of arms represents 4 original colonies that made up the Union. Obviously, only the Orange Free State exists now. All the others are being broken up into different provinces. And it has KG. So that KG stands for Kruger Grey. So he designed Australia's decimal coins as well, and he designed quite a few others. So the front of the coin always has the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. So these ones are probably in fine condition, and it's an Mary Gillick effigy, so used by not colonies. Colonies used the one with a crown. This one was used by self-governing provinces. So we have a nice big coin. Diameter is 32.3 millimeters. So if you compare it to the Australian 50-cent coin, you can see it's almost similar in size. So it's a big coin, but when they actually decimalize, it's only worth 25 South African cents. So that's roughly equivalent to 25 Australian cents. And here's a 20 cents from Australia, which is comparable with the 2 shillings that they used in South Africa. So I hope this helps you with your South African coins. So if you're a bullion stacker in South Africa, these are probably the stuff you're going to go after, as well as the first cent coins from South Africa. In South Africa, you can probably get all these closer to bullion value than I can. In Australia, I get Australian pre-decimal and Australian 50-cent coins from 1966 as a stacking. But you can also get rounds, modern rounds, which I don't really go after. Anyway, thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. And I hope this helps you with your South African coin collection. Thank you and goodbye.